Good day everyone and greetings. All protocols observed. My name is Nyambeni Mudau. I'm a production scientist responsible for horticulture commodity in the Department of Agriculture and Rural Development in the Northwest Province. My other interest is on alternative crops, particularly Bambara Groundnut. Today I'm here to present to you a research proposal that is also on Bambara Groundnut, and the topic reads as follows: Performance of Bambara Groundnut varieties in the Northwest Province. The presentation will cover the following aspects: introduction, motivation of the study, aim and objective, materials and methods, research outcome, dissemination, action plan, and budget. Let's get straight into it. Introduction. Bambara groundnut is a summer crop that requires optimum temperature of between 19 and 30 degrees Celsius and widespread rainfall of between 600 to 700 millimeters during the growing season. The crop is indigenous to Africans and has been cultivated in Africa for many years, and it is a highly nutritious crop that continues to play a crucial role in people's diets. In South Africa, it's believed that the crop was brought here by Vigna people when they migrated from Central Africa down to South, and they are still producing this crop today. It provides food security for many farmers as it shows considerable drought tolerance. It is biologically better adapted to semi-arid or arid as well as marginal areas. It is capable of increasing the level of soil nitrogen because it produces its own nitrogen, thus giving acceptable yields where other crops usually fail. So the assessment of this crop in the province can play an important role in improving food security for subsistence farmers. Motivation of the study. Bambara groundnut is a promising crop which needs more adaptive research work to understand the crop and use it as a food. It should be emphasized that it is a low-cost, dependable crop that grows in harsh environments where many other crops fail. Due to its ecology, distribution, nutritional and medicinal properties, Bambara groundnut could be a potential future crop to be exploited for food security, climate change mitigation, poverty alleviation in the Northwest Province, given that it is well adapted to various agroecological conditions and climate change. Aim and objectives. The aim is to define new regions not previously associated with the cultivation of Bambara groundnut, but where combination of environmental factors indicates a potential for productive growth without costly resource inputs such as irrigation, fertilizer, pesticides, and herbicides. The objectives are to assess the potential productivity of Bambara groundnut in the Northwest Province, to identify sites and season for Bambara groundnut cultivation in the Northwest Province, recommend management practices to stabilize crop yields and rain-fed conditions, identify attributes associated with the ability to produce high yields under semi-arid conditions. Materials and methods. A field trial will be conducted in Town Experimental Farm from cropping season of 2021 until cropping season of 2026 under dryland conditions. The experiment will be laid out as a randomized complete block design with 4 replications. Each experimental plot will be 4 rows, 90 centimeters apart and 6 meters long, with a net plot of 21.6 meters squares. The crop will be planted at 10 centimeters apart in each row, giving a plant population of 240 plants per plot. Planting material. 5 Bambara groundnut varieties will be planted for assessment in the trial, and they are described as follows. We are going to have a black variety which is early maturing, red variety, which is late maturing, cream or black eye, which is a large kernel and is also a good yielder, speckled or spotted, which is having purple color that predominates the others, and the last one but not least, a brown variety that is having a continuous variation between light and dark brown. So these are the 5 varieties that we are going to test for this trial. Crop management. Prior to planting, soil samples will be taken for determination of soil fertility and texture. Primary land preparation will be done through the use of moldboard plow, and seedbed preparation will be done using disc plow. Planting of the trial will be done manually using a hand hoe. Weed control will be done through the use of registered herbicides. Data collection. The following vegetative parameters at 50% flowering will be taken, that is plant height and stand count. And the following reproductive parameters will be taken, and that will be as follows: number of days to first flowers, number of days to 50% flowering, number of fresh pods and weight of fresh pods per plant, weight per 100 seeds, and average yield per plot. Data analysis. The data will be subjected to analysis of variance using GenStat program, and means will be separated using task test method at 5% level of significance. ANOVA table. We are going to have 4 blocks with a degree of freedom of 3, 5 treatments, which are our varieties, with a degree of freedom of 4, era with a degree of freedom of 12, and the total degree of freedoms are 19. Dissemination of research outcome will be done through presentation in symposium and seminars, farmers workshop, farmers day, scientific publication, study group, and any other platform that can be available during the duration of the trial. Action plan. The activities are as follows. Research site identification will be done in August 2021. Soil sample will be done in September 2021. Land preparation will be done October 2021. Seed bed preparation will be done October 2021. Trial establishment will be done in November 2021. Trial management will start from August 2021 to May 2022. Harvesting of trial will be done in May 2022, and report writing will be done in June 2022, and the responsible person is the lead researcher. The budget. The total projected budget for the duration of the trial per season or per cropping season is 277,805 rands. Or this will include the seeds, fertilizers, fungicides, herbicide, traveling allowance, S&T, accommodation, farmers' days and demos, preliminary work, and that will amount to 277,805 rands. And I thank you.